Hi friends, how are you? By blessings to God, you are doing well. Friends, today we are going to discuss the 30 multiple choice from the corporate tax planning and corporate tax planning. So it's a, right now it's a in a 6 semester one paper is there. So I have prepared this MCQ as per your syllabus, and so far as this discussion is concerned, so this discussion will also be useful and fruitful to the MBA, Mcom, and other related subjects as well as. So this discussion will be very useful and fruitful those who are prepared for the ugc-net JRF examination and other competitive examination like the SSB and OPSC. So friends, without delay we'll start our discussion. Friends, so I have prepared this 30 MCQs from the corporate tax planning, I mean the CTP, according to your or as per your syllabus. So once again I am welcome to all of you to Dr. A B JENA classes. Friends, I will have the request to all of you during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you will find, kindly you will give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section accordingly, so I will take care. So all 30 MCQs are very vital so far your exemption point of view. And the first one MCQ: which among the following is a progressive tax? A, it's income tax; B, it's sales tax; C, it's excise duty; D, it's developmental surcharge. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So income tax is a progressive tax. So next one MCQ: identify the indirect tax from the given option. A, it's GST and corporate tax; B, it's GST and custom duty; C, it's income tax and corporate tax; D, it's custom duty and corporate tax. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. And so it's the part 1, and very soon you will get the part 2 from the MCQs from the corporate tax planning. So GST and custom duty are the indirect tax. So next one MCQ: which section or section dash of Income Tax Act 1961? Friends, so you have to remember that the Income Tax is in 1961, and these 30 MCQs definitely will be helpful in your exam in very short question or answer within 1 or 2 sentences, or true or false, or fill in the blank. So that's why, so all 30 MCQs are very useful and important so far as your exemption point of view. So A, it's a which section of Income Tax 1961 provides the deduction in respect of interest on loan taken for higher education? A, it's 80E; B, it's 80QQB; C, it's 80G; D, it's 80DD. Friends, so A is the right option of this MCQ. So friends, for your kind information, I have already posted 2 videos on income tax and another video on GST. Kindly go through the posted videos. Definitely your concept and your clarity will be more and more on income tax as well as GST. So here friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. I mean the section 80E of Income Tax Act 1961 provides for deduction in respect of interest on loan taken for higher education. So next one MCQ: transfer of income without transfer of assets would be taxable in the hands of kiska? A, it's a transferor only; B, it's a transferee only; C, it's either in the hands of a transferor, it's or transferee; D, it's that is none of them. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. A. I mean the transfer of income without transfer of assets would be taxable in the hands of a transferor only. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ: loss from house property can be set off only up to what amount from any head of income? A, it's rupees 2,50,000; B, it's rupees 2 lakh; C, it's rupees 3 lakh; D, it's none of the above. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. B. I mean loss from house property can be set off only up to how much rupees 2 lakh from any head of income. So next one MCQ. The certain capital loss can be set off in the same assessment year from A. It's a long-term capital gain, B. It's a short-term capital gain, C. It's both A and B. I mean long-term capital gains and short-term capital sorry it's a gain short-term capital gain short-term it's not good then. So here the answer is what is this? The C. I mean the short-term capital loss can be set off in the same assessment year from both the long-term capital gains as well as the short-term capital gains. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ. Loss from business cannot be set off against what? A. It's salaries, B. It's business and profession, C. It's capital gain, D. It's none of above. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So I mean the salaries will not be adjusted against loss from the business. So A is the right option for this MCQ. Loss from business cannot be set off against the salary. I mean A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ. Choose the correct answer from the following. A. Loss from business of owning and maintaining the race horses can be set off against any income. B. It's a speculation business loss can be set off only against the speculation business income. C. It's loss from lottery, card games, etc. can be set against any income. D. It's long-term capital loss can be set off against long-term or short-term capital loss. Friends, so here the correct option is what is this? That is the speculation business loss can be set off only against the speculation business income. So that is the correct answer or correct option is the B. So next one MCQ. Pension is after retirement an employee will get the pension. After retirement an employee will get the pension. So pension is what or dash under the salary head. A. It's fully exempted, B. It's partially taxable, C. It's fully taxable, D. It's none of the above. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. C. So next one MCQ. Unobserved depreciation can be carried forward for a period of how many years? A. It's 8 years, B. It's 4 years, C. It's that is the indefinite period, D. It's none of the above. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. C. Unobserved depreciation can be carried forward for a period of indefinite period. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ. The loss in speculation business can be carried forward only for a maximum period of how many years? 4 subsequent year of assessment year, B. It's 4 subsequent year of assessment year, C. It's 2 subsequent year of assessment year, D. It's none of the above. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. The loss in speculation business can be carried forward only for a period of that is option A. Option A, I mean the 4 subsequent year of assessment year. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ. The long-term capital loss can be adjusted only against A. It's a short-term capital gain, B. It's a long-term capital gain, C. It's both of the above, I mean the A and B, D. It's that is the none of the above. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So long-term capital loss can be adjusted only against the long-term capital gain. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ. Residence rule provides that the income is to be taxed in the country A. It's where the recipient of income is a resident. B. It's where it originates. C. It's both A and B. D. It's none of the above. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. And the residence rules provides that income is to be taxed in the country where the recipient of income is a resident. So here A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one, MCQ. Sources rule of taxation provides that income is to be taxed. A. It's in the country of residence of taxpayer. B. It's in the country in which such income originates. C. It's both A and B. D. It's none of the above. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Sources rule of taxation provides that income is to be taxed in the country in which such income originates. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, the double taxation relief could be what or dash. A. It's the bilateral relief. B. It's that is the unilateral relief. C. It's that is the multilateral relief. D. It's both A and B. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. The double taxation relief would be the bilateral relief as well as the unilateral relief. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, bilateral relief could be provided by way of what? A. It's credit method. B. It's exemption method. C. It's both A and B. D. It's none of the above. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. C. Bilateral relief could be provided by way of what? The credit method as well as that is the exemption method. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, bilateral relief means a relief in which A. It's a home country of the taxpayer provides a tax relief where no mutual agreement has been entered into by the two countries for providing relief from the double taxation. B. It's the governments of two countries enter into an agreement to provide the relief against the double taxation on mutually agreed basis. C. It's both A and B. D. It's none of the above. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. B. Bilateral relief means a relief in which the governments of two countries enter into an agreement to provide relief against the double taxation on mutually agreed basis. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, residential status in Indian Income Tax Act to determine for which one of the following which of the following? A. It's that is the previous year. B. It's assessment years. D. It's accounting year. D. It's both previous and assessment year. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So previous year will be taken into consideration as per the Income Tax Act 1961 to determine the determine the residential status of the assessee. So next one MCQ, the residential status of an assessee is ascertained as per the provision of dash of Income Tax Act 1961. A. It's section 7. B. It's section 9. C. It's section 10. D. It's section 6. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. I mean section 6 of Income Tax Act will be taken into consideration to ascertain the resident status of an assessee. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, reducing the tax liability by utilizing the deductions, exemption and relief allowed in the Act, and a rule is called what? A. It's tax management. B. It's tax avoidance. C. It's tax planning. D. It's that is the tax evasion. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. C. Reducing the tax liability by utilizing the deductions, exemption and relay allowed in the Act and rules are called what is this? That is the tax plan. So C is the right option for this MCQ. Using the loopholes of the law to reduce the tax is known as what? It's a common question, friends. So you will find this question, common question. A, it's that is the tax management. B, it's the tax avoidance. C, it's tax planning. D, it's tax evasion. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. B. Using the loopholes of the law to reduce the tax is known as what is this? That is the tax avoidance. So next one MCQ. Concealment of income or false claim to reduce the tax liability is known as what is this? A, it's tax management. B, it's tax avoidance. C, it's that is the tax planning. D, it's that is the tax evasion. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So tax avoidance is treated as a legal, whereas the tax evasion is illegal. So here the concealment of income or false claim of to reduce the tax liability is known as what is this? That is the tax evasion. So next one MCQ. Compliance of the legal requirements in connection with the tax is the essence of dash or of what? A, it's that is the tax management. B, it's tax avoidance. C, it's tax planning. D, it's that is the tax evasion. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. A. Compliance of the legal requirements in connection with the tax is the essence of that is the tax management. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ. To levy the corporate income tax in India, the company's residential status is decided on the basis of what? A, it's the nature of the company. B, it's the management of the company. C, it's the residential status of the company for the previous year. D, it's company management and control. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. D. To levy the corporate income tax in India, the company's residential status is decided on the basis of company management and control. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ. A person who fulfills one basic and one additional condition is what? A, it's a resident. B, it's a non-resident. C, it's a resident but not ordinarily resident. D, it's a resident and ordinarily resident. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. A person who fulfills one basic and one additional condition is what? Resident but not ordinarily resident. So friends, so here C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ. Income from subletting of house property is taxable under the head of what? A, it's that is the capital gain. B, it's income from other sources. C, it's income from house property. D, it's profits and gains of a business or a profession. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So income from, so here B is the right option. Income from subletting of house property is taxable under the head of income from other sources. So next one MCQ. In case of revocable transfer of assets, all income arising from such asset to transferee shall be included. What? Income of a transferee. B, it's income of a transferor. B, C, it's both transferor and transferee. D, it's either transferor or a transferee. Friends, so here the B is the right option for this MCQ. In the case of a revocable transfer of asset, all income arising from such asset to transferee shall be included in the income of transferee. So here B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ. When parent's income is clubbed with a minor child income, the parent is eligible for the exemption as per the Income Tax Act 1961 option A, actual income of minor, or rupees 10,000, whichever. B, it's the actual income of minor, or rupees 1,500, whichever is less. C, it's the actual income of minor, or rupees 20,000, whichever is less. D, it's the actual income of minor, or rupees 5,000 is less, or whichever is less. So here friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. When parent's income is clocked with a minor child income, the parent is eligible for exemption. Actual, so here B is the right option for this MCQ. Actual income of minor, or rupees 1,500, whichever is less. So here the parents of the children's parents will get the tax exemption. So next one MCQ. The next one MCQ. If Mr. A and Mrs. A both have substantial interest in a concern and both are in receipts of remuneration from that concern or from organization, then what will be the tax consequences? A, option A, remuneration shall be clocked in the total income of Mrs. A. B, its remuneration shall be clocked in the total of that individual whose total income, I mean before this clocking, is higher. C, its that is the clocking shall not apply. D, its remuneration shall be clocked in the income of Mr. A. Friends, so here B is the right option for this MCQ. B. The remuneration shall be clocked in the total of that individual whose income, I mean the before this clocking, is higher. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So last but not the least, the vital MCQ, the capital assets includes all the assets except what? A, its stock in trade. B, its personal effect. C, its jewelry. D, its that is the rural agriculture income. So capital assets exclude all the assets except what is this? That is the jewelry. So here C is the right option for this MCQ. So friends, so these are all 30 vital MCQs, and these 30 vital MCQs are very useful and fruitful for your examination. So once again I am requesting to all of you, during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you will find, kindly you give your valuable suggestion and comments in the comment section. And I will also request to all of you, if you like this video, kindly you subscribe my channel, kindly you share it, kindly you forward it. And I am getting your valuable comment and suggestions, and so far as your valuable suggestion and comments are most welcome for the next video. So once again, thanks a lot to all of you.